This is a weekly reading for you, Aries. So let us see how's this upcoming week looking. You are being offered lot of opportunities in this week, Aries, and what I'm seeing is that you are either too occupied or too busy to receive this opportunity, or you are just not looking at all that is possible around you. So one guidance really is that there is a lot to achieve and there is a lot ahead of you. So some of you should just look outside your current work situation also. Maybe you're too busy, you're too occupied, and you probably feel there is no life or there is no scope outside what you're doing. I am seeing there is a very big opportunity, and not just one, there's just so plenty opportunities waiting for you to materialize. You are either not receiving it all that well, or you're just too busy coping up with your current work pressure. So some of you in this week, you also want to probably take some rest, maybe take a holiday if you're too stressed out, and look at everything that is being suggested to you or being told to you by friends to get started with, or probably partner with, or maybe some other line of interest that is coming your way. Because I'm seeing there is a great success, someone is trying to help you, but you're not aware of this very great opportunity. So the beauty of doing tarot is that you can have a sneak peek into what is coming your way. So this week you should be looking around and at something extra than the work you're doing, or probably even in your, maybe if there is a situation in your family about some money problem or some other issues, there is help around the corner. You're just not aware, but it is coming to you. And maybe if you were to just look around and probably talk around, things should work out very quickly. So this is a week where you should rest yourself, get your peace of mind back. If you're too stressed up either about someone's disease, or maybe some financial situation, or maybe if job is not going all that good, because you need to have lot of peace and calm to be aware of this opportunity. Right now your eyes are closed, and some of you are just going to work and coming back home and just resting and relaxing. Also some of you who have probably some fights going on, maybe in your family, or not getting along with some members, there is a very big possibility or a very good solution around the corner. All you have to do is be aware of it. Maybe someone very selfless or helping can help you bridge these gaps in the family matters. So bit of a work for you, Aries, this week. So now let us see what is the guidance for you, Taurus. So we have, all right. Now Taurus, it's looking like you are either hard at work, or maybe there is some work situation that I am seeing. But the good part is there is someone who's willing to understand and make situation better for you. So some of you who are either struggling at work, or you feel the coping at work situation is becoming a little too heavy or high on you, all you have to do is reach out to your mentor and look for help. So this is a very good and a strong energy. There is almost a father figure, someone who wants to listen, who will want to help you out should you be stuck in your situation. So I am seeing a very good helping energy your way. All you have to do is reach out to this person. Also some of you, your way of doing things is looking like it's very repetitive. So Taurus, there is a need for creativity. You are very sensitive. There is someone who's willing to listen and understand if you have some difficulty or conflict you're dealing with. But more than dealing it mentally, your situation, you should look at it how to deal with it creatively. I'm just seeing there is a miss of creativity in what you are doing. So when this week shows up, you want to look at everything that you have not tried in trying to help or improve your situation, rather than do it the same way every time you have done it before. So that will bring lot of success and ease out the stress for you. I am just seeing some extra work also coming, but then this is either a boss or a father figure or maybe even a colleague. There is someone who's very understanding, so you will be able to air your difficulties or share your grievances. But then there is a sure good deal of work coming your way, so unless you can show some creativity, you will feel lot of pressure in this week. Also, when you take decisions, don't try to take it all by yourself, Taurus. You just want to include your family members, talk it out. I am just saying that someone is just holding up all the responsibilities as if you are the only one who needs to do everything and nobody can help you. So just speak it out. It's quite possible they can make your life very easy by helping out or telling you how to do a lot of things. So I'm just saying that certain work pressure or certain conflict or decision can be eased if you were to start to speak up. Now, also, if you are too engrossed in your own situation, you are going to miss out on some opportunities. So, there is again a very big guidance. I am seeing that either you are working, and when you are not working, even if you go out or you meet people, you don't really make a connection because you're so caught up in your situation. So, here the eyes are closed again, hands are folded here, hands are folded again. So, here you are indoors, here you're outdoors. So I'm just seeing someone who is just in their own space. So this week is also a good time to introspect. If you just want to collect back things and look at and reflect on how things should be approached, it's a good idea to do that. But overall, it's a good suggestion or good guidance if you were to just open up a little when you're outdoors and start to meet and talk to people, because I am seeing someone very genuine, nice, and who wants to help you. So reach out to this person, Taurus, in this week, and things should be easy. Also, if you talk and discuss whatever conflicting situation you may have, your situation will improve very quickly. So very good cards, but then I am seeing opportunity. I am seeing someone who's willing to understand. Also, family wanting to help you. So should you make a decision to hold things only to yourself and not tell, then it is a stressful week. If you choose to discuss it out and let people know whatever the smallest thing is bothering you, your life is going to be very easy. Plus, there is a stroke of luck coming your way. Something is coming without you asking and you having waited for too long. Universe on its own is going to grant you this wish. So very good cards for you, Taurus, this week. Now I'm going to take out as the guidance for you, Gemini. Let us see how is this week looking for you. Some of you are going to get invited to some family function. There is some event that you're going to be called out or you will need to attend. And overall, I'm just seeing a time well spent with family. There is also some kind of a harshness which is coming your way this week. And I'm seeing this is coming because of maybe someone you interacted with or dealt with either for business or for work is just a bit unreasonable. So while on me, it's quite possible this person is from either from your family or maybe you work with. So I'm just saying that there is a scope of some communication related issue to show up or some kind of a difference to crop up. So the easiest way to deal with this energy is that you choose kindness or forgiveness over something that shows up. So if things are not looking good or someone is coming across as a bit harsh, you don't want to fight it out, Gemini, because I'm seeing that then eventually you won't be happy even if you probably prove them wrong, or this unreasonable person, you let them know how wrong they are. So don't fight it to the absolute end of who is right, who is wrong. I'm just saying that it's okay to just overlook some mistake and not keep pointing it out, or not pick up the smallest of stuff to argue about, because even in the end, even if you're right, it's going to give you a lot of heartburn. So you just want to treat with a lot of love and care, and overall then this week should look good for you. Otherwise there is a very good scope of some miscommunication, or something that you said, or someone you know, he or she said, and then there is some kind of heartburn that comes along. So you just want to go easy with your words, and even if someone is coming out very nasty on you, you just want to deal it with a lot of love and care, and then maybe you can deal with this energy better. But I do see some kind of difference here related to what your expectation may have been with some loved one or colleague, and they not living up to your expectations. So just protect your heart, don't be so touchy, and things should look very well. Also communication wise, you don't want to come out too tough on people, Gemini. You just want to go a bit easy and more with kindness and energy to negotiate and understand, rather than just fight it out of who is right or who is wrong. Yeah, maintaining the relationship will be more important than who was right or who brought the best decision or call on the table. So a bit of a care related to your, maybe even emails. You don't want to write to quick emails or respond in haste, because it can then come to bother you. Now let us see what is the guidance for you, Cancer. For some of you, there is a message, and this is a message of love. So, all of you who are probably separated, or you're looking at some patching up situation to happen, I'm seeing patch up working out very well for you. So, also, I'm seeing there is some kind of a intervention. Someone is trying to help two people out. So, it's quite possible that if you make some new friends or new acquaintances this week, they will introduce you to someone very influential, and it's going to help you make peace with a lot of emotions. So I'm just seeing a very new set of experience coming your way. It is also possible that, Cancer, some of you will be asked to accompany, or maybe some friend will want you to travel with them, and you are going to have a very different or a new experience entirely, nothing that you have probably known or experienced before. So I am seeing a very new experience coming your way. It's either coming because of a travel that you will take this week, or there is some kind of a message which is coming your way, and it's going to bring a lot of peace of mind and clarity to you. Some of you are going to make peace with a lot of your friends also, or maybe colleagues. So if there is some kind of a bitterness within your team, or if you are probably finding it difficult to work with certain set of people in your workplace, I'm just seeing there is some kind of a maturity or certain emotional growth in you in this week. So you will be able to understand people better because you met this person or you had this new experience. So don't turn away if you've been asked to travel somewhere, or probably there is someone who wants to meet you and you have not really known or met this person, this kind of a person before. Looks like he or she may be from a very new culture, and they're going to change your perspective in a certain way. So there is something new that's waiting for you. Maybe you will just travel to a new place and take a amazing liking to this place or drive some kind of a learning from it. So I'm just seeing some emotional growth here. Also, for some of you waiting for a loved one to call or wait, it looks looking like he or she may just surprise you by giving you a visit. So there is a surprise visit also showing up. Also, for some of you, there is a clarity of emotions. So maybe if you're feeling very emotionally confused because you're either you have certain expectations or your partner has not done enough for you, I'm just saying there is certain emotional clarity which is coming up this week. So there is a lot of love and romance also. There is a travel showing up, and there is some kind of a new experience which is coming your way, and you are traveling someplace, and it is going to bring a lot of peace of mind to you. A very good card set of cards, Cancer. So overall, a very good week for you. Now let us see what is the guidance for you, Leo. Wow, this is a very successful week. So Leo, some of you who are planning to do something, or you probably want to get to somewhere, you were deciding, should I travel, not travel, should I take that decision or not take that decision. The guidance is totally go all action and keep a very strong leash on everything that you do. Yeah, you make sure you're spending right, you're saying the right things, because you're headed to a path of absolute prosperity. So there is something that you're doing which is going to create a long term success for you. Also, I'm seeing some funds are coming your way. Some of you are probably wanting to get married, or you wanting to get engaged, or you want your love relationship to be solidified. Looks like maybe if a certain family member was not agreeing, they are going to agree. So I am seeing things are going to work out very beautifully for you, and certain permanent decisions are going to be taken this week. Also looks like your journey is going to blossom into something very powerful and rewarding. So you see, this person is a soldier, he's going on a horse, he reaches the destination, is a king already, and then is rewarded with the huge money flow. So I'm just saying that some of you who are looking for a great bonus and promotion also this week, probably you have worked hard for quite a few months, years, it's all coming together for you. It's a very successful week, and between choosing to just stay put and decide and to action it, I'm seeing great action helping you out. Also, this is a energy of pregnancy. Some of you may just come to know that you're pregnant, so it's a very good set of cards for you, Leo. Now let us see what is the guidance for you, Virgo. Some of you have great deal of either expenses or habit of spending. So I'm just seeing someone who's earning a lot and then is spending also a great deal. So there is a need to save. So this week you should look, or maybe look at ways of holding on to this wealth or this effort that you put in. So I'm seeing there is a lot of expenses which are showing up this week. Maybe you are either traveling, or maybe there are some family functions, or maybe you're just going somewhere with your friends, or you will lend some money. I'm just seeing certain expenses showing up, but the need is to save and secure yourself. Yeah. So some of you are also feeling Virgo. You have not saved enough. So this is a week when you should start to look at more money aspect in your life. So wherever you start, it's a good point to begin and then move ahead or move forward with it. So there is a certain money related situation that some of you should control. Maybe there is a debt, or maybe there is something that requires your expenses on a regular basis. You should just figure out a way that despite that expense or despite a certain flow that definitely comes to you, how can you save and improve your situation? Also, some of you are not spending enough time socializing. So I'm just saying there is someone who's all by himself or herself and is just too much caught up in their situation or how their work or job is. So you want to socialize more, you want to be more with people, and then your situation should probably there is a change of thought or line of thought that you should develop this week, because I'm just seeing that here is a person who is just a little bit caught up with their expenses or a situation on which they don't have a grip on, and then you wanting to improve the situation and starting small. Also, there is this whole energy of wanting to spend time all by yourself. So Virgo, you want to improve on this energy. You don't want to be all by yourself, because I'm just seeing two people you're just spending or introspecting or just worrying unnecessarily. So a lot of you can help your situation by socializing and meeting people. So this is the week that's calling you to probably go out more, connect more online, or maybe meet people, or whichever way, meetups, or just going and attending those invites which you probably either ignore or avoid, and then things should improve a great deal for you. So there is a social circle that you should also work or build on. If you already have a social circle, I'm not seeing it doing much help to you. So maybe it's time to develop some new friends also this week, Virgo. Now, let us see what is the guidance for you, Libra. Some of your family is traveling to come and meet you, and you will just about be there to meet and greet and spend time with them. But then I'm seeing you also getting pulled away to invest a lot of your time working or improving your work situation. Some of you, if you're not keeping good health, there is help coming your way. Only you have to let people know. I'm just seeing that some of you either have a back problem, or you're just not feeling all that well. So there is a lot of love and happiness all around you. You just have to tap into it. So Libra, some of you need to speak up, because there is family visiting, or probably you do have a very loving family living with you, and you just do enough to be with them, and then you're just caught up in your situation. So this week you should just try to spend more time socializing and being with family, rather than getting bogged down with all the work you have. Also, some of you should look at making a mentor within the family. I'm just saying there are some very great successful people within your family or in your know. Maybe this could be extended family or some friends also, with whom you can take some kind of a mentorship. So there is someone who can mentor you towards this very fulfilling life. But right now you're not speaking, you're just keeping things to yourself. I'm just seeing excessive work related drain or stress coming your way. Also, you don't have to carry responsibilities as if they are burden. You can enjoy your life and also do your part of responsibility that needs to be done. So some of you are probably not speaking or telling the weight of responsibilities that you're feeling. So there is a easier way to do a lot of things, and the way you're doing, you probably don't have an answer yourself. So Libra, you should be looking within your family, someone who can help you, someone who's been very successful. If not family, maybe you should just reach out to someone within your friends also, and you see them who can help you in leading this very complete life or fulfilling life. Yeah, I'm also seeing there is a miss, there's a slight miss of joy. Maybe this is just your style of working, that when you devote yourself to some cause or work or project, you are not available at all to anyone. So there are just better ways of doing the way you're doing certain things, and it can be more joyful and experience to just live every day. Yeah. So some of you should just spend even more time than you're spending right now with people you love, and then probably pick up a few things from them, how they're able to enjoy and do everything in such a balance. So balance is going to be key this week for you, Libra. Also, certain decisions you will just struggle to make a decision, and it's a good idea to speak up and take help from people you love or you're close to. But I do see rewards coming. So some of you who are doing business, you will feel absolute stretch and pressure of work. But then there are great monetary rewards also coming your way. So overall, very good set of cards. But you need to focus on your health, Libra. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Scorpio. Whatever that you set out to do this week, there is a success waiting for you. So if you want someone to receive your love and say yes to you, it's going to happen. If some of you have taken a very difficult decision to take on a new job which may be challenging or requires you to relocate, I'm seeing that it is going to work out very well. You will be received very well in the new job. Some of you who are in the waiting to get a job, it's going to work out as well. And I'm seeing some travel now. There could be a travel where you will need to go and face up to certain people you don't like or you're not on good terms with, and a travel about shifting or probably meeting some new people. So I'm just saying that there are two things that are happening simultaneously for you, Scorpio. On one side, you're meeting certain people where things are not all that cordial and warm for you, but then you need to meet and move on or keep dealing with these people. And then I'm also seeing is you're trying to make some new acquaintances or improve your love situation, and it's going to totally be very well be received. So if you approach something with lot of love energy, Scorpio, it's going to bring a lot of success to you this week. Also, if you're expecting certain decision to come your way, it's going to be very, very favorable. So this is a very good week for you, and don't be hesitant in dealing with people you don't like. Certain things, if they need to be done and probably certain people need to be met and spoken with, you will need to meet and speak and then get going and move on from there to something new that you're planning to start. So also for some of you, if you're, I'm just seeing that you're also dealing with certain people who are difficult on the one side. They're too practical and logical. But when you probably meet and greet them socially, they're just very, very likable and pleasant. So you have a lot to deal with. And I'm just seeing certain personalities showing up in your cards in this week. So it is a week of lot of work, so something that is unpleasant but needs to be addressed and dealt with should be done. And if you're trying to win over some people and there is something you're expecting as an outcome, it's looking very favorable for you. So overall, this is a very good energy, and just to have a bit of a courage also to deal with certain things that are unpleasant or something that you don't want to do. So overall, a good week, and whatever that you are wishing for looks like it's coming your way and will be well received. So if you're trying to probably impress upon some difficult people also, overall you will be able to do that. So you're going to impress upon maybe your seniors or your colleagues or maybe certain partners, or even in a relationship, if you feel certain people are just difficult, maybe an extended family or your partner's family, you will be able to win over them. I'm just seeing this cup being received very well by the person to whom it is given, but the journey of difficulty is also coming along. Yeah. So you see, this person started as a soldier and now he or she is quite beaten up or has gone through tremendous fight or difficulty, but eventually he or she was successful in delivering the cup. So looks like you will be able to do what you set out for, but the journey will be little bit tiring and will test you to your course. So now let us see what is the guidance for you, Sagittarius. There is a win this week. So just make sure whatever you're asking for, you don't land up asking way more than you can handle. So one guidance is that only take on what is rewarding or continues to give you happiness, rather than take on more than you can handle and then feel you are in a prison. So I'm just seeing you're working very hard at certain goal and then you actually receive it, and then you are overflowing with this reward and you're almost in this mental prison. So choose your words very carefully, Sagittarius. And it's telling me you may be very crisp with your communication. You're able to create a lot of success and get to where you want to be by dealing and thinking through your situation. And there is no shortage of effort also. But then don't get greedy, midway and then create a difficult situation for you. Some of you want to stay away from speaking excessively or probably wanting to take on more than you can handle. So if you probably have till date only handled x amount of work, or you have only done x amount of certain things in certain time, you don't want to jump and probably multiply or double those goals or targets just because you want to impress on someone. I'm already seeing a success and a win coming your way. Don't spoil it by overdoing it or delivering or committing to deliver more than you can, or not realizing how much you are committing. So a very good grip on your tongue and not saying more than is necessary will help your way. Also there is a need, I'm just seeing someone who's hard at work, not smiling, sense of humor is also disappeared somewhere. So you want to be this person who also enjoys life and not just goes out and does all the work and is heavily rewarded and then gets back to work again and then again looks at some other thing that needs to be achieved. Along the way there is a very beautiful family life waiting to you know have a good time with, or people who want to get to know you more and understand whatever the conflict or dealings you may be going through. So I'm just seeing that certain work pressure may just add up if you're not careful, and then you're not spending enough time with your family. So there is a great need to spend time with family. Some of you have not taken a vacation with your family. You want to either plan it this week so that you put it on roll sometime in future, or You can even look for a holiday this week itself. So I'm just saying some family time is needed for you, Sagittarius, this week, because you're just overtly too invested in your work, almost to the point that you feel that this work will not happen if you are not going or doing what is needed to be done. So a little bit of loosening up and easing of energy which is needed, but I overall see a great success and a win coming your way. So some of you may even receive a reward or a certificate coming your way. This is also an engagement. So some of you will receive a proposal of love from your loved one or a partner, or maybe you will make a proposal. So I'm just seeing a very nice long-term reward or engagement which will lead to a long-term commitment coming your way. So good set of cards, just more time that needs to be spent with family. Now let us see what is the guidance for you, Capricorn. There is a side to you which you don't tell people, and that side is you show a very tough and a difficult exterior that you cannot be fooled. You're on top of everything, but then you're very, very vulnerable, Capricorn. I'm just saying you almost feel that even a smallest decision and all the swords will come and hit you, or you will be done with. Some of you are feeling the pressure of responsibility which comes with being in a very solid or a strong position. Now the good part is this whole journey is going to lead to a certain awakening or a certain deep connect within you, and there is a great success which you are going to experience, that this is your true calling, this is the way to do it. So right now some of you who are doing the work with so much care and almost to the point of going crazy, that should you make a mistake, all the blame and everything will start to go wrong, almost that paranoia of feeling that things could go wrong, and what if you don't live up to the expectation. It's all going to transform into something very hopeful, positive, and rewarding for you. You see, this person is holding a sword and is a king and is very, very attentive, and in the night he or she is sleeping with like a simple person with so many swords hanging on top of his or her head. So I'm just seeing some of you feeling the weight of a responsibility. Maybe some of you just got recently married, or you just want to do the right thing, or maybe you have started a new project with a lot of investment. I'm just seeing that whatever this worry is, it's just going to transform into you finding a very deep and a permanent connect for you. Also, for some of you, this position is going to solidify. So, every decision you are going to be loved so deeply that people are just going to follow you, and you will not be critiqued or criticized purely because you took a certain decision, or you're not being seen in the true light. I'm just seeing some of you getting very fully accepted by people around you. So almost this critique or fighting or having to explain yourself is going to go away. So people who are feeling a pressure in your family life or in your personal life, you will see things will just move to something very beautiful and deep. I am so you see this king is now almost naked and there is a star shining. So you're being guided by the higher destiny. So there are things just which are getting better for you. Also, some of you are going to just have a change of scenery. Maybe you will just travel and relocate to some place just to improve your health or your worries, and then it's just going to become permanent for you. So there is a very nice change coming up this week. I'm seeing a lot of acceptance. So maybe in your work situation, some of you are struggling day in, day out to hold on to your situation and prove every point that you do. You will be fully accepted, and your thought of how you do things will be accommodated. So there is a lot of peace which is coming your way in this week. So good set of cards. So how's the week for you, Aquarius? If you're not careful, someone is going to let you know that there are a lot of clever people in this world. And I'm just seeing the energy of trust being broken. So in this week, you don't want to go believing the first word a person says. You want to keep your guards up. You want to see if this person is reliable. Also, this is not the week to give money. If someone is coming and asking you for a loan, or you want to help out someone, you may want to help out, but the chances of it coming back are just looking like close to nil. So just be careful of who you help or who you want to lay your trust with, because I am just seeing there is a surprise which is coming your way. Someone who's going to delay your work or probably halt your whatever journey you were planning to take purely because they stole your idea or they benefited from your communication in a certain way. So you want to be very careful, Aquarius. The good part is when we do tarot, you can just improve this energy very quickly. So also I'm just seeing is someone, don't be so high up in your guards, also, Aquarius, that you don't know who your friends are. Because I am seeing that there are some people who are wanting to help you, and then there is someone very sharp and very clever and good with their communication trying to take advantage from you. So I guess this happens every day, that when we meet some new people, we don't know how to approach or probably take forward the friendship or relationship, but some of you need to be on your guards. And you will find that this week overall was a late starter. So maybe if you had certain plans to go with, you will just find something else showed up, and then you were required at a certain other place before you could continue with your plans of doing what needed to be done. So just work with this week with lot of patience and don't be too trusting. Also, if you're not careful and you give out lot of your personal information, someone may just take advantage of that information, and you want to just go easy with your communication. Speak only when it is necessary, and don't lay your heart out or don't start telling someone everything about yourself before you know that person all that well. Because I am just seeing that someone could probably, because they help themselves with your resources, that they put you behind. Also, this could be one of your colleagues who may be trying to take advantage of your work or take credit for all that you have done. So be on your toes to claim what is rightfully yours and fight it out if you need to. And as I said, I just see a bit of a late starter week for you. If certain things needed to be rolled out in the beginning of the week, you may just find that you were required at a certain other place or certain other emergency showed up, and then you were able to start this project or work only a bit later or towards the second half of the week. So that's how your guidance is looking. Now, how's the week for you, Pisces? there is some disagreement which is showing up this week. Now, this disagreement could be because some of you realize that either your money was taken without your permission, or there isn't enough money to begin with. So I'm just seeing some rift which is coming up either because of certain decisions you are going to take related to your business or your work or travel, and there is some money problem as well. Now the good part is, Pisces, you can handle this energy, or you can make this as a learning energy to see how deep the bond is for the two of you. So when this misunderstanding shows up, it is also about how well the two people show or understand each other. So Pisces, in your work situation, you don't want to fight over smallest of things or argue about things which can be dealt with in lot of other diplomatically in a nicer way than to confront and fight it out and end it all. So I'm just seeing certain difficulties showing up, maybe because one of you took a decision to travel, or in a love relationship or in a marriage, and then there were a lot of expenses and some misunderstanding cropping up, or in a work situation, you having an argument over not getting paid enough, or some money situation showing up, and then there is a bit of a argument or a fight. So the good part is, this energy is always about asking difficult questions, that is this the job you want to do, is this the partner you want to be with, and having seen the most difficult or the lowest of energy with this partner, do you want to continue? So this energy is all about asking some difficult questions, and should the two of you choose to stay with each other, the bond is only going to become very deep. So I'm just seeing some of you may get a very surprise notice or a letter also, not necessarily hurting you, but it will be slightly away from your expectations. So now, what is coming your way is not in your control. How you will react to it is what you should manage. So, some of you should just be very ready with how you will deal, and go very ambitious with your plans. Yeah, it's quite possible someone may just write you off or may underestimate you, but you want to totally go very, very ambitious and then chalk out a very strong plan for yourself. Yeah, so looks like a bit of a difficult energy, but you can deal with it very well, Pisces, if your reaction is very well managed. So, this is how your week is looking, Pisces.